Hey guys, I have another delicious throwback recipe for you all today. So I'm going to be making honey crackles, which were a party favorite for me when I was a kid. So for this recipe, it's super easy. What you'll need is 1 scoop of the Happy Way banana protein powder. I've got 4.5 cups of cornflakes. I've got 120 grams of unsalted butter. You can also use coconut oil, but I prefer to use the butter. And I have 2.5 tablespoons of honey. So how to make this one, what I'm going to do is melt my butter and my honey on the stove, and then I'm going to pour that mixture on top of my cornflakes, pop in my protein powder, give it a mix until it's really well coated, and then I'm going to pop my cornflakes into my patty pans, pop that into the oven that's been preheating at 180 degrees and allow that to cook for about 10 minutes. I'm then going to take it out of the oven and let it cool completely before I eat them.